Yeah, starts so well, Junaid Siddiqui. He's got some hint of movement in the air, which is a good sign for UAE and for the fast bowlers. A thick edge. And I think that's 4. He's touched his feet on the boundary ropes. They'll want to have a look. That's nicely done. Punched off the back foot. And Arjun Kumar is growing in confidence. Edged. And over Adib Usmani. Edged and taken. That's great field setup from Ajay Kumar. And he gets his first wicket of the game today.
Just flashing his bat, playing away from his body, not in control of that shot. And a good sharp catch taken by Aryan Sharma. Ajay Kumar with a strike, so he continues.
That's well done by Binod Bhandari. Up and over. Has it gone the distance? Exquisite. It'll be 4 runs. Edged and taken. Ajay Kumar strikes for the second time in the game. He's unstoppable and Nepal are in trouble. Bhim Sharki is out on a duck.
But that was another unplayable delivery. Squared him up completely with the angle and a lovely take behind by wicketkeeper Adib Usmani. Ajay Kumar's on a roll. He's been...
Oh, that's nicely done. Beautiful shot there from Binod Bhandari. Exquisite cover drive. And he'll get another boundary to his name. That's nice. That's really good. Rohit Podel leaning into that rare ability. Beautiful. Rohit Podel is looking dangerous. That's a very nice shot. And he's looking in prime touch.
Square. Is that a missed stumping opportunity? Shadad thinks so.
Well, that was definitely a chance. That should have been collected cleanly, and that was a goner. Binod Bhandari was still not in the crease, even after he...
Edged. Straight to short third. Bit of a misfield here by Ajay Kumar. That has enough legs to go for a 4. Powell fetches another 1. He moves into the 30s.
20 World Cup winning captain for India. Again, we see that heave down the ground. And this time he connects and connects well. Straight down the ground. So finally, Binod getting a boundary after quite some time. Innings that was from him. That one is pulled. It might be a catching opportunity. And yes, it is. So breakthrough here from Junaid Siddiqui. Just does the job for UAE. And a good running catch there from the fielder.
All of a sudden, that short ball surprised him out of position. And look at that for a lovely catch in the deep. And worth the celebration as well. But a well-directed bouncer there. You've got to be a thinker when you're a bowler and outsmart the batter.
Again, we see that short delivery and pounced on it really quickly, did Dipendra. He doesn't need a second invitation.
Talk about a slow one, but Binod Bhandari obliges. 1 bounce, that's the 4. He moves into his 40s. He picked that early and he picked the bones out of this one, Binod Bhandari. Nicely played, that's in the gap, that's going to be 4. 2 boundaries in over number 24. And Nepal are pressing foot on the pedal. It's turned out to be a very productive one. 12 coming off it, 115 for 3. That's a lovely hit. 1 bounce. He moves to 48. He's been trying to access the gap on the onside, Binod Bhandari. And he gets his bottom hand into play. Stand up and applaud the comeback of the much revered Binod Bhandari. After a gap of 4 years, at the age of 36, the blade of Binod talks, dictates, and works magic in the middle in what's been a wonderful innings of concentration and focus. There he is, raises the bat, and he's played a fine hand at this stadium. Yeah, gets an outside edge, slashing hard, add 4 more to the tally. He moves to 54, and the runs keep coming along here for Nepal. You and Binod were in the middle at that point in time. Oh, he's lost his shape on this one. He knows it. He's thrown it away. Yeah, he got to 50 and Binod Bhandari in the process to accelerate. has holed out in the deep. He'll feel a touch disappointed, but you felt that shot was coming because every now and then he was trying the big one. And a nice catch there by Mohammad Shadad. Haider with his first.
Shadad, you could see there he was dragging it from outside the off stump. Went high up in the air. Nicely held by Shadad. Team. Been too busy with other leagues around. That's been pulled around the corner and gets the 4. Quick hands coming. Just drifted down. There, Zoeb made full toll of it. Dipendra over 2. That's been thrashed to the covers. The mid-off was up. And how well that was hit. It went like a trace of bullet to the fence.
Very fine batter. Yeah, this time steps out, tries to create a scoring opportunity. Is that running away for the second boundary? Yes, it is. Back-to-back throw for Irie. He's going to take on the gentle off-spin of Akshdeep Nath, and he'll want to pile on as many runs.
Remarkable with the bat. That's poor. That's very poor from Shadad. It's a wide and it's going to be 4 runs as well. So 5 more.
Again attempting that sweep, getting that bottom edge of the bat and gets a 4. A lucky boundary for Dipendra.
Short run up. And not bowling quick as well. Slower ball and rightly punished. Dipendra Singh Irie is not going to miss out on those. And that's a poor delivery. Very poor from Mohammad Zoeb. And Dipendra Singh Irie gets to 49 with that boundary. There it is. Dipendra Singh Irie, the superstar, the rock star, and the real star for Nepal cricket, gets to his 50, the third of this series, back to back to back. And that's come in just 52 balls. He is a class act.
Limping off the field. But good to see him back and bowling some over, as this has been picked the gap by Arif Sheikh towards the covers.
He's going. Short ball, cut away, and it's been taken. A wicket at the wrong time for Nepal. Arif Sheikh finds the fielder at point.
Booming square cut straight into Akshdeep's low on his left and good sharp catch. That ball was travelling. Kuzema just provided wit and shot. The shot was on, but a fine catch by Akshdeep Nath.
T20. Again starts one down the leg side. He's done that number of times and he's not learning. And leaking runs is Mohammad Zoeb. That's nicely done. Dipendra Singh Irie puts his dancing shoes on and he's hit that straight as an arrow. It's gone ballistic.
Dipendra is very confident coming down the track and hit it straight just over the side screen. 6 runs for 6 of the innings for Dipendra.
Oh, Gulshan Jha pulls and pulls well. 1 bounce and over the ropes for 4.
And leading by example, Dipendra as he sweeps that behind square. Another 4 by Dipendra. He quickly moves on to 71. Nepal cruising.
Fast hands, gets into position quickly, beats the fielder, deep backward square leg. Irie, as always, will put on a show with the bat, and he ends over number 41 with a 4. 7 coming off it, 220 for 5. Slashes hard, up and over. Work to do for the fielder, Sohaib, but he'll not get close to it. So Jha is freeing his arms. Haider's not a happy man. He concedes 8. The momentum with Nepal. We are into the final 8. Beautifully done. 1 bounce. That's a 4. Pace on the ball. And you go for the ramp shot. Gulshan Jha moves into the 20s. And he's looked good. Wow. You got to manufacture hits. You've got to be a bit audacious. And sometimes the risk turns into reward. Gulshan Jha is playing a gem of an innings. And this partnership is now.
But some reward as well. Now he goes straight down the ground. That's a big hit. That is a huge hit. Gulshan Jha is on fire.
Here, as the 250 comes up, goes down on that left knee of his. Uses his long levers and long reach to advantage, and that's out of here. He's such a powerful striker of the ball, Gulshan Jha. What a time for him to bat in this phase of the game. Tailor-made for him. This time, has he got an outside edge to it? Work to do for Junaid Siddiqui, and he's not able to cut that off. By's been given, so that's not off the bat. Wow, Dipendra Singh Airi gets inventive and gets cheeky and fetches 4. What an innings this boy is playing. He's picked it up. One bounce. He moves to 99. Airi realizes it's not about the milestone, but it's the runs he can get for Nepal from here on. The tiger roars at the Tribhuvan University International Cricket Stadium, and the vice captain brings up his second ODI 100 as he stands up and stands out in a crucial game for this Nepal side. He's been the wind beneath the wings for the Nepal team in the batting department, and there again he shows and proves his worth in the middle as a batter. What an innings by dependable Dipendra.
Well, one for the ages. Dipendra Singh Airi deserved 100, got 100, 3 50s, and then...
Wow, he's picked the bones out of this one, has he? Oh yes, and he's landed that into the second tier, and that's out of here. Trademark swing of the bat from Gulshan Jha.
High. It sounded like a gunshot, and it's gone like a cannon. It's travelled and on the roof.
He's got stuck underneath this one. Fielder circling underneath that, and it's been taken. Very good catch in the deep. Had the rally with that pouch, but what an innings here by Gulshan Jha. And this partnership of 102 and 78 is finally broken, but Jha...
Yeah, I wanted to play that. The shot was on, the bat just turned in his hand, sliced it in the air, and a very good catch under pressure.
Yeah, the slow one. No, yes, and Airi will be run out on 100. Selfless as always that he is. Very unconditional in his approach, but he'll receive the applause and the appreciation from his counterparts for what's been a magnificent and matured 100. And it's his century that has given Nepal to live up to the expectations when the chips are down. A very good looking batting card. Binod Bhandari and Dipendra Singh Airi and Gulshan Jha being the stars.
After that first innings, let's look at the bowling card for UAE. They used quite a few options. Khuzaima bin Tanveer was injured, could only bowl 3.5 overs. Mohammad Shadad covered up for him.
What a hit, what a way to start, and what a way to announce your plans in the middle. And this also means a free hit on offer. That's because Kami begins with a no ball. Airborne, fielder getting underneath. The batter will survive. That's because it's on a free hit. The crowd eruption, a roar. And that happiness will be short-lived. That's because Aryan Sharma gets a single. Nicely struck. Adib Usmani certainly looks very elegant down the ground. We saw it in the last game. And he fetches his first 4. Another straight drive, this time from the bat of Aryan Sharma. Another elegant hit to the fence. They're looking good in the middle. And they're dishing out a flurry of hits to the fence very early in their innings, the UAE batters. Last 2 games. Decisive blow. And he's got plenty of bat on this. And that's an incredible strike from the bat of Aryan Sharma. And that's what a batter looks like when he's coming off a struck and a 6 to end over number 3.
Yeah, that's a great pickup from Aryan Sharma. It seems like he's continuing from where he left off.
Oh, he's out to reach out for this one. And that's up and over. Back-to-back 6s across overs. One of the previous ball of the last over. And one of the first of this. So this is some intent and execution by the UAE batters.
Doesn't come from the middle, but he still managed to clear the infield, and it's gone all the way, in fact, onto the... Again, goes aerial, goes straight, goes downtown, and goes for a boundary. Aryan Sharma and Adib Usmani enjoying the time out there in the middle. That's down the leg side, a tickle, and Adib Usmani perishes in a similar fashion. Nandan Yadav strikes, gets a game, makes it count.
Vimala Siri gives him the marching orders. They all knew it. There was something on the way to the wicketkeeper. Nandan celebrates. What a start for him after being drafted into the playing 11. Goes hard at this one. And he's picked the bones out of it. And that's into the covers. What a way to make full use of a free hit. Takes full toll on this one. And as he just aggravated that back of his...
See that as soon as he hit that ball, Aryansh, he was touching his back. That was a clean hit, clearing his front leg.
Laying out. Sweeps it nicely. Came inside the line of the ball and created a scoring opportunity to use the angle and fetches for Mohammad Shadad. And that's a good hit, and that will help his confidence.
Oh, that's upish. That's in the air, and Rohit Podel flies in the air to gap that. Is not able to get his hands onto it. That's a valiant effort, and 100 marks for that attempt from the captain.
That should have been taken. What looks difficult to most of us, he makes it look easy. Oh, what an effort. What an attempt. Great commitment. Nandan Yadav is a bit crestfallen over here, but
In the future,
what a hit. Look at that for a big six, and he's clobbered that. Probably one of the best sixes we've seen all through this edition of the ICC Men's CWC League 2.
was in control. That was pitched in short by Nandan Yadav. And Shadad just... Oh, that's nicely done. Does it have enough legs? No, it doesn't. Doesn't have the distance. And Sandeep Lamichhane strikes gold in the very first over.
That sat up nicely, had sixed it in all of it, but he finds the fielder to perfection. Right down Lalit Rajbanshi's throat. They didn't have to move much, and you could see Aryansh Sharma telling Mohammad Shadad he was looking at the mid-wicket cow corner region. Inside out, nicely constructed here by Harpreet Bhatia, and the ball just falls into a puddle of water beyond the ropes. Nicely swept. Got on top of the bounce there. He's got a couple of boundaries in that region, Mohammad Shadad, and he's backing himself.
With still 8 more wickets in hand. Wasim in the dugout. Few more batters in play. In the meanwhile, a short one provided by Sandeep and nicely pulled it by Harpreet.
Gets an outside edge. Was that deliberate? He did try to run it down third, but that was too close for comfort. Nevertheless, he fetches the boundary, and a good start to over number 15 here for UAE.
That's nicely done. Late and in the gap. Shadad gets another boundary. Piling on the runs is Mohammad Shadad. Clipped off the pad. That's in the air. Aerial and in the gap as well. So an important boundary coming in from the bat of Harpreet Bhatia. Pulls it away flat. One bounce and over the ropes for 4. Good shot there, and gets to his 50 as well. Well, what a knock this has been from Mohammad Shadad.
This will give us a better view. Oh, he was trying to collect it, lost sight, and that's straight onto his face.
Oh, well, that's taken the edge of the bat and will beat the fielder at short third. It's racing away towards the boundary for 4. Harpreet Bhatia looking to drive that. Not where he intended, but he'll not mind that. Catches the call, will be taken. And Sompal Kami gets that breakthrough. They were wanting desperately. Chip in the air, and Harpreet Bhatia, after getting another start, perishes.
He's not going to drop. Elation here. The shot that gets him the most runs also gets him out sometime here, Harpreet Bhatia. Cries of catch it, but not really, because somebody in the crowd will have to catch it, because he's connected that really well. Hitting against the turn, Shadad hits a massive 6 over cow corner. Sharky showing up here. This one's close. That's a big wicket. That's what Sandeep Lamichhane can do for you. He'll bring you back in the contest. The danger man, Mohammad Shadad, has to walk back. And how big an opening this at this juncture of the game.
Is Sandeep Lamichhane. You see that? Just stayed kind of low. Played too early, did Shadad. And now he has given that all-important breakthrough for Team Nepal that they were looking for.
Clears at front foot, straight to the fielder. Kami strikes, and the captain of UAE departs. One brings two. Nepal are back in the contest and right on top, and the crowd goes gaga. And all of a sudden, the tables have turned. UAE have lost their skipper for only one. Half the side back in the dugout.
Tried to play that trademark shot of his, shuffling onto the off stump. He knew as soon as he hit it that he hit it straight to the fielder, and Arif didn't have to do much. Collects it nice and easy, and the crowd behind him just goes
High. This one's going Sandeep's way, and he gives him the send-off as well. Zuhaib's stay was rather frustrating, and a shot of frustration shows up as Sandeep Lamichhane continues to eke out wickets in Nepal's defense of this target. A match winner in the true sense.
his weapons, just sees the batsman dancing down the track and bowled it short. You see there, just going with the shot. Zuhaib nowhere close to the pitch of the delivery, and Sandeep went straight on with that slider of his and picks up his third wicket.
That's a good shot. That's a nice clean hit, and it's out of here. The quicker it comes, the quicker it goes from the bat of Khuzaimah bin Tanveer.
See him standing deep inside the crease, making those movements, and he goes bang. Just the length that he was looking for. And as we were mentioning earlier, Nandan likes to bowl short.
Another length ball, it's in the slot, and it's been hit towards long off this time. It's in the stands, and there are people who will fetch the ball easily, but that's another half a dozen for Khuzaimah bin
His
Tanveer.
shot, he knew that it came out right off the middle of the bat and over extra. Delightful stroke from Khuzaimah.
Now then, much better length from Nandan Yadav. This has taken the under edge and will run away towards the boundary for four. A little unlucky for Nandan Yadav, but Khuzaimah bin Tanveer.
This is just the right batsman to take on Lalit, as he does, and smokes him over that long off boundary for a huge six yet again.
His dancing shoes are on and getting to the pitch of the ball. That's much better from Akshdeep. Gets hold of that one and plays it beautifully. Well, again, looking to catch
In
that.
between these two sides at this very venue, and that one is hit, and hit with authority. Yet another six here for Khuzaimah bin Tanveer. He's bringing out the long handle.
Gets it right from the middle, and it's gone into the stands. It's a huge hit. That's really good batting from Khuzaimah. Couldn't contribute with the ball in his hand. He's looking for that wicket. Pulls it away in the air and into the stands. There is a fielder there, but he'll be a mere spectator as Khuzaimah bin Tanveer.
And again, that short pitch delivery, just waited on it, and bang, he goes. Clobbered it. He is a powerful man, this guy.
Goes big, goes high. Is that a chance? No, not really. Khuzaimah bin Tanveer gets it from the middle of the bat. Not a bad delivery from Nandan Yadav, just a super shot.
Knows what's coming his way and clobbered it. He's hit 5 sixes, and that might well be the biggest one he's hit today.
Most important over. That's hit straight down the ground. That is a huge hit. And what a shot that is from Akshdeep Nath. He was a spectator on the other end, but now he joins the party as well. He's launched that into outer space.
You err in line and length, and you pay the price with a maximum.
Again goes straight down the ground. This is hit straight as an arrow. One bounce and over the ropes for four. Not great bowling from Sompal Kami. And Akshdeep Nath joins the party. Nandan Yadav hits it straight down the ground, and it's gone flat. Starts with a 4. Poor ball from Nandan Yadav, and Khuzaimah bin Tanveer has hammered that for 4. Short ball, that's in the air. This could be a chance. Is it? Will be taken. And the game changes. It's tied as Khuzaimah is out on 49, and Nandan Yadav has brought Nepal back in the game.
at this venue. See a very well directed slower bouncer. Kusema almost knew it was coming his way. Didn't quite middle it, and safe pair of hands.
Swing and a miss. Wants the run. Junaid Siddiqui will be run out. Akshdeep Nath wanted to come on strike, and Junaid Siddiqui had to sacrifice his wicket.
See there, slow delivery executed brilliantly, and good thinking there by Binod, just passing on that ball to Nandan, and he executes a very simple run out. But the main important thing here for UAE.
Short ball up and over, extra cover. This is smart batting from Akshdeep Nath. Knew where he was going to bowl it, and he's managed to play that up and over for 4 runs. And there it is. Nepal have held their own under pressure. Nandan Yadav has bowled one of the most important overs of his young career. Proves to be the hero for Nepal and ensures that they get those 2 points. Nepal won the game by 6 runs. And yet another classic game of one-day cricket between UAE and Nepal. Then Aryan Sharma scored 33 at the top, got a start. Adib Usmani scoring 14. Shahzad played a brilliant knock at that number 3 position, scoring 65. A healthy partnership with Harpreet Bhatia. Right, that's the bowling card. 2 wickets for Sompal Kami, 2 wickets for Nandan Yadav, and 3 for Sandeep Lamichhane. He was the pick of the bowlers. But overall, it was a team effort. That Nepal, batting first, managed to get to 289 in the allotted 50 overs. Dipendra Singh Airi with a brilliant 100. Bhandari scoring 56 in his comeback game. And Gulshan Jha scoring 44. In reply, it was UAE that fell short by 6.